Did you know you can transfer free designs and cut files directly from the Artspira app to your Brother wireless LAN embroidery machine? Select a design, pair it with an embroidery machine in the app, and send it wirelessly to your machine. To retrieve the design from your embroidery machine, select the Artspira cloud icon. Your design will automatically be transferred to your screen and is now ready to be stitched. Artspira is more than just embroidery. It contains a wide variety of cut files compatible with a Scan and Cut DX. Choose from many different categories and enjoy the same convenient wireless transfer you have with your embroidery machine. Simply select your design, press Create, and press Transfer. Once transferred to your Scan and Cut, select the design from the Artspira cloud icon. If desired, use the editing tools to make changes. You can customize the design by enlarging, duplicating, and taking advantage of the many editing tools. Explore the possibilities with the Artspira app and your Scan and Cut DX.